In this video, we will discuss about Inter-Vlan routing uh, using router, which is also called router on a stick. So our first step is to assign IP address to PC and create VLAN 10, 20, and 30 in all the three switches. I already have assigned the IP addresses of the VLAN 10, 20, and 30 and written below. So we will start with creating VLAN in the switch. So just click on the switch and enable. Go to configuration mode. Just type VLAN 10, VLAN 20, and VLAN 30. VLAN 10, 20, and 30 has been created. Now assign the VLAN port VLAN on the access port. Fast Ethernet 2 and 3 to VLAN 10. Just type interface range fast Ethernet 0 by 2 to 3. Switch port mode access switch port access VLAN 10. Likewise for interface range fast Ethernet 0 by 4 to 5 switch port mode access switch port access VLAN 20 and interface fast Ethernet 0 by 5 0 by 6 to 7 switch port mode access switch port access VLAN 30. Likewise, we have to create VLAN 10, 20, 30 in remaining both the switch. Click on the switch, enable, go to configuration mode, type VLAN 10, VLAN 20, VLAN 30. And now we have to assign the access port to the VLAN 4 and 5 fast Ethernet port to VLAN 10. Just type interface range fast Ethernet 0 by 4 to 5 switch port mode access switch port access VLAN 10 and interface range fast Ethernet 0 by 6 to 7 6 to 7 switch port mode access switch port access VLAN 20 and interface range fast Ethernet 0 by 7 to 8 switch port access switch port mode access switch port access VLAN 30 for switch 3. Just go to CLI, enable config T, and we will directly assign the VLAN to the access port. Just type interface range fast 0, 2 and 0, 3. Range fast Ethernet 0 by 2 to 3 switch port mode access switch port access VLAN 10. Get and check whether VLAN 10 is created or not. So VLAN. VLAN 10, 20, 30 is created. Go to configure mode and type interface range fast Ethernet 0 by 4 to 5, 0 by 4 to 5, switch port mode access, switch port access, VLAN 20, exit interface range fast Ethernet 0 by 6 to 7, switch port mode access, switch port access, VLAN 30. Now first step to assign IP address and VLAN is completed. Second step is to enable trunking on port. So we will enable trunking so that all the VLAN traffic can pass to the trunk port. So just go on CLI of the switch and go to the particular interface. Here the trunk port is interface fast Ethernet 0 by 1, switch port mode trunk. Now state is changed to up. Uh, Now this is the trunk port. For this route we also have to create the trunk port. We can create on both the switch, but to the one side due to negotiation of trunking it automatically will be enabled to another side. So we will create in the switch the port fast Ethernet 0 by 3. Just go to interface fast Ethernet 0 by 3 and type switch port mode trunk. Now this port is trunk and state is changed to up. And this port also has to be made trunk so that it can pass the traffic of all the VLAN 10, 20 and 30 to the router. This port is fast Ethernet 0 by 1. So just go to the particular interface fast Ethernet 0 by 1 and type switch port mode trunk. Now this port has been trunk exit. Now second step is completed. The third step is to no shutdown to GI 0 by 0 port of the router as it is showing down. We have to switch it on. No, enable, go to configuration mode and type interface GI 0 by 0 and just type no shut. The state is now up and the port is up. Now the last step is to create the virtual interface SBI on this router for VLAN 10, 20 and 30 respectively. So we create the encapsulation for trunking. So just type interface G 0 by 0 dot 10. It is for VLAN 10 virtual interface and encapsulation we will use encapsulation dot 1q space 10, which is the VLAN ID, and IP address for VLAN 10 network is 192.168.10.0, followed by subnet mask 255.255.0, 255 dot 0, and 255.255.255.0. It is, we will again type here we have to type the gateway, which is the 10.1. Now it is taking the mask, and at last we have to type no set. Likewise for VLAN 20, go to interface gi0/0.20, which is the VLAN ID, and encapsulation dot 1q space VLAN ID 20, and IP address for VLAN 20 is 192.168.11.1 followed by mask 255.255.255.0. No set. And for VLAN 30, just type interface gi0/0.30 VLAN ID encapsulation dot 1q space VLAN ID IP address for VLAN 30 is 192.168.12.1 followed by mask 255.255.0. No set. Now we will check with ping command. To just go to command prompt and type ping followed by destination IP 192.168. We are taking with VLAN 20 IP address. We will wait. It should ping. Yeah, now ping has started, and we will check with the IP address of VLAN 30 12.6, which is the IP of PC29. It it is also pinging, and from this PC27, which is part of VLAN 20, we will ping. Just go to command prompt, ping VLAN 10 IP 10.2 192.168.10.2. It is pinging, and now VLAN 30 IP 192.168.12.4. Yeah, it is also pinging. In this video we have seen how to create the VLAN in layer 2 switch, and how to assign the particular VLAN to the particular interfaces, and we have seen how to enable trunking of the port, and how to shut down the no set and set to the router port, and how to create sub interface for VLAN in the router. And I think the video is completed, and now Inter-Vlan communication is taking place. Thank you.